Have you ever pondered over the idea of stocks being your golden ticket to wealth? Well, it's high time we delve into the fascinating world of stock markets and unravel the mystery behind this potential wealth creator. Picture this, a bustling marketplace of buyers and sellers, only they're not trading fruits or vegetables, but shares of publicly held companies. This, in essence, is the stock market, a complex yet intriguing network where shares of publicly traded companies are issued, bought, and sold. But what exactly is a stock? In the simplest terms, owning a stock means having a tiny slice of a company. When a company goes public, it sells a part of itself in the form of shares or stocks to raise money for various reasons. This could be for expansion, paying off debt, or funding research and development. The beauty of buying a stock is that you, as a shareholder, become a part owner of that company. This ownership comes with the potential to share in the company's success through increased stock prices and sometimes through dividends, which are a portion of the company's profits distributed to shareholders. Now, the stock market operates on the basic principle of supply and demand. When a company performs well, more people want to buy its stock. This increased demand pushes the price up. On the flip side, if a company isn't doing well, the demand for its stock may decrease, causing the stock's price to drop. One must remember, though, that the stock market isn't a guaranteed path to wealth. It's a game of strategic investment, patience, and a bit of luck. The potential for significant returns is there, but so is the possibility of substantial losses. Therefore, it's crucial to research and understand the risks before diving in. To summarize, the stock market is a platform for buying and selling shares of publicly traded companies. Owning a stock means having a tiny slice of a company, and as the company succeeds, so does the shareholder. But this world of stocks isn't just about the potential for wealth, it's also about the thrill of the game, the patience required, and the risks involved. In essence, the stock market is not just a market, but a vast ocean of opportunities. It's a place where, with the right strategy and a bit of luck, one can potentially amass great wealth. But like any ocean, it can be calm one moment and stormy the next. So equip yourself with knowledge and understanding before setting sail on this exciting journey. Remember, every great investor started as a beginner. The key lies in learning, understanding, and making informed decisions. So think of stocks not just as your golden ticket to wealth, but also as a journey of financial growth and learning. After all, the journey is as